The RLD is the remote locking device. So RLD, remote locking device. Effectively a bit of a robot. It's a combination of electronics, robotics, and it's a device about the size of a toolbox. In fact, I've actually got one sitting right here. Sapphire is well known in the industry for the glide-on, and it's served us great success. However, we're entering into a new era, and this is the next step. So the RLD is really an evolution of the glide-on. So imagine we are on site, we cast in our anchors into the concrete frame, which is what we've always done. We're continuing with that. We obviously have to have a casting to give some structural strength to the balcony. Now, rather than having a full-length projecting arm, we actually just have a small stub, which is attached to the casting, put into the frame. When the concrete's poured, that's all done in one setting. So we come along with our wonderful-looking balconies, prefabricated, they come to site, and then we attach the RLD onto the balconies at that point. The tower crane, or could be mobile crane, depending on the circumstances, lifts the balcony into position, and it lifts it towards the apartment. And what the RLD does is it's engaged via a site operative from inside the apartment. So it's attached to the balcony, and it's lined up with where the connection points are. So as that balcony comes towards the apartment, the stubs go inside the back of the balcony, and then we engage the remote locker. So push a button, and what happens is there's a pin, and that pin actually goes inside the balcony and it secures the balcony. So it's an incredible set of innovation that has really transformed how we install balconies.